On today's menu, this easy and delicious recipe is a real pasta ability. Tomato basil pasta. Lei hou ma everyone, I'm Will Young. If you haven't already, be sure to check out my Kickstarter project on the first ever vegan ramen cookbook in the link above to learn more. Get ready to make some food. Bring a pot of water to boil for the pasta.
While you're waiting for your water to boil, get everything else ready.
Sliced mushrooms. When your water comes to a boil, add some salt and cook the pasta according to package directions. Tomato, save about half a cup of pasta water. Drain the water out of the pasta and set aside. Pan back on medium heat. Olive oil, clove of garlic, mushrooms and garlic, salt and pepper, saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Tomatoes, season with salt. Saute for 3 to 5 minutes. Pasta water. The starch from the pasta water will help thicken the sauce. Pasta. Baby kale and arugula. Season every time you put something new in the pan. Plate. Drizzle with olive oil. Fresh basil. You can now make this easy pasta dish with absolute confidence.
In no time, you have this incredible dinner ready for you. Just amazing. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode. Thank you for joining me on my channel. If you're interested in my vegan ramen cookbook project on Kickstarter, you can click the link here. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode.